Well, hi, it is Monday of Thanksgiving week, so happy Thanksgiving and thank you for watching. I am Denise. I'm a stylist for Color Street, and what I got going today is my Thanksgiving mani. The brown one is Brownie Points here. The two in the middle with the stripes and the little turkey are Turkey Trot, which is a retired shade from, I think, a few years ago that I absolutely love. It's so cute. Look at the little turkey. And then this one on the end is Mojave Gold. And what I did with Mojave Gold was the freezer trick. This thing was old and it was gummy like my Seattle Royale and plaid reputation from a couple weeks ago or last week. So I put this in the freezer and we're going to find out if it worked. So let's get to it. And I'm still debating. Oh, and what I did with this, I wanted to put the little turkeys over, I think I'm going to do them over Brownie Points because they'd be more visible. But I cut them out using a hole punch. So I've got a couple little guys right there. So we'll put those on as we go. And I want to make sure I save the ones I don't use. Okay, today, well, let's just start with Mojave Gold and see how it worked. It was really gummy. It was bad like my other ones. Oh, there's my trash. So here we go. Okay, well, that worked. It's a little bit like the other ones were, but oh, shoot. Oh, no, don't you dare. Oh, God, not again. I thought it was going to work. Well, okay, that one at least it came off. And we're sticky. All right, let's do it anyway. And, you know, I'm taking my own advice. You know how when you're going to put something on your windshield, like a sticker, and it says, you know, with the alcohol, to use the alcohol and make sure it's clean? I think that the alcohol that I use on the prep pads and on my fingers is making it super sticky. So what I just did was I touched my face and it kind of like introduced a little bit of oil, but not so much that it's not going to stick. And now it's not sticking to my fingers. So maybe that's what I need to keep doing. Get that little bit off of there. All right, one down. Well, I seem to be having a modicum of success with this. Yay. All right, that worked. Now I'm gonna do my Brownie Points. Peel again. Now that one goes on like a dream. I've always loved Brownie Points. It's interesting because it's got the hollow glitter in there, and for reasons I cannot quite name, it seems like the blue hollow picks up more than any of the other. Brownie Points, how I love you. Okay, that came off good. Oh, no, wait, you gotta stretch it a little. Now I got a better handle on it. Good. Actually, I'm going to use my tool instead of my nail, because I messed up my base on this one a little bit. So Let's just tuck you in on the side instead of cutting you. Yeah, that worked. All right, I think I want to do... I think I want to do you on my middle, and then I'll do brownie points on my ring. Okay, let's do that. Oh, I love this so much. I wasn't sure if I had any left from using it in the past, but yay, I do. All right, so I will hold you for the other side. Fold that way so you don't go on top of yourself. All right, now maybe... do I want to put the little decal? Oh, maybe it does need to go on. Yeah, I do need to put it over the gold. Okay. Well, could I not put you sideways like this? No, you do need to be this way. Yeah, you know, that'll work just fine. I think I will keep you on my pinky. Or not. Maybe I should have put this one on the ring. Yeah, I think I should have done that. Well, you know what? Life is beautiful. And it's really all good. Can you see the turkey if I put it there? Well, I think I know what I need to do. I'm sure I've discussed the movie How to Make an American Quilt with y'all before. We will follow the design. What does she say? You have to have good design. It has to be pleasing to your eye, and it has to not drive you crazy. And I know what I want, so let's just do this again. Okay. Nail polish remover does have oils in it, even though it's very drying, so you always want to make sure you hit your freshly removed nail with a little alcohol just to get all the oil off. All right, there's my nail defense, and while that is drying, let's go gold here. Okay. All right, work for me. Yes, good. Ah, like a charm. So, okay, proof positive right there, people. If you have a gummy old glittery set, put it in the freezer. I don't know what it does, but it clearly worked because I could not work with this earlier. It was very bad. So there you have it. Easy peasy. And then the gold is going to go on ring. Oh, so they're going to be the same. No, they won't. Oh, I have to switch it on the other side too, don't I? I think I do. No, I don't. All right, this is going to go on ring on this side. Oh, dang it. Did I do it? Yeah, I sure did. Rats. I sacrificed a strip of something I can't acquire again. Ugh. Rats. Yeah, I know. Big fucking rats with tails this long. That joke. Oh, man. Oh, and I messed up this one a little, but you know what? It's fine because I'm going to have glitter on it. All right, let me do rich filler, which will probably smooth out my boo-boo. Got it. Oh, why am I over there? I should have done that. Sorry. Okay, so now we need brown over here. And you know what? I might as well just double this since I have it. But if I double this one, then I gotta double the other one, unless it doesn't look that different. Sometimes when you double a shade, it really changes it, but I don't know if it's gonna matter that much for this one. All right, so decal time on this one. Oh, that is so cute. Love, love. Adorbs. All right, and now we're gonna put it on the index over here. So cute. All right, now I just need, what did I say? Gold over here. All right. Pinky. Oh, wait, nope. Before I sacrifice that, I might as well use the other half of this one. It's a little bit big for the pinky, but that's okay. I can trim it. I am so happy that this worked with the freezer. Putting it in the freezer. It totally saved it. Nope. One more time. Hang on. Yeah, I totally messed up the base on this one. But that's okay. All will be well. And the glitters are so much more forgiving. If this was a solid, there's no way I could wear it because you'd be able to see everything. And that's partly why I wear the glitter formulas more than the solids, because they cover. The glitter is like a really good foundation on your face. It covers everything. Makes everything less noticeable. Okay. Just trimmy. The one thing about Turkey Trot, I wish that it was not just an accent. I wish that it came in a full set because I'd love to put it on my thumbs right now. That's okay. All right, so I got gold on this hand. No, brown. Yeah, gold on this hand. Oh, that's such a relief. Oh, my God, I'm so glad I did that. It had to be an engineer somewhere that thought of putting it in the fridge. And whoever thought of that, I am grateful. Thank you very much. You solved our problem. And I've noticed that the solids never get that trouble with getting all stretchy and gummy. I've never had any trouble like that with the solids. Only with the glitters. I definitely need to put some top coat on these when I'm done. All right. Brownie points on this thumb over here. Okay, here we go. This one I always have to stretch it a little to fit all the way across. Oops. No. Oh no, Mr. Bill. Shoot. Well, okay, I saved that one. I was trying to just get that last little corner, but I think I'd be okay. What I want to do with this one is just kind of tuck it under there and then like cut it off after it's tucked. I think that's what I've been doing, because when you really press and like with your other nail too hard, that's when it starts to wear off sooner. I think it's because I'm pushing it on there too much. I've had a few sets that have been I'll just say underperforming, I guess is the word, where after like the first day, I can see the white of my nail, and I don't like that. I want it to stay covered. With the lighter colors, it doesn't matter as much, but with a dark color, you can totally see. And so I'm trying to have it wear longer. Like with this one, maybe I should have doubled this one. Yeah. Well, you know what? I'll just do a test, and I'll show you in the next day or two how they look. I'm so bummed about these. Damn, and I can't double them because then you'll be able to see if I missed the pattern. All right. Chalk that one up to my memory. Age will do that, you know. Anyway, fun Thanksgiving Manny. Yay. I got turkeys on my hands. All right. Well, this is it for now. I hope everybody has a happy day. Happy Thanksgiving. I will probably give an update, and I might do my Thanksgiving makeup on Thursday. I'm not sure. Yeah, you know what? I'm not going to work that day. So, yeah, I'll just do that. So I will see you Thursday, maybe sooner. And have a great, happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you soon. Bye.